Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Dollar Tree gnome for Christmas. You're going to go to the Dollar Tree and get a mop, a pair of snuggly socks, a styrofoam cone, and some wooden beads. The wooden beads are from Hobby Lobby. Unwrap your mop and start cutting the little mop tentacles. I don't know what you call them, but just start cutting them. You're not going to need the entire mop. I just cut a bunch, and then if I needed more I could always go back and cut more, but I didn't. So you're also going to need a glue gun for this project. So unwrap your cone. We're just going to go ahead and do that there. And then about halfway down, you're going to go ahead and add some hot glue to the area. Watch your fingers, you know, they might get burnt. Add a lot of hot glue. And then go ahead and attach the little mop fibers, like the little mop ropes, I guess. I'm not sure what they're called. But just keep doing that the whole entire way around. You may want to do a second layer of this to give it a little more fluff. I didn't do that, but I think I will go back and add more. I still have the mop left, so what the heck. You'll notice I also was using one of those little pink silicone things for my fingers so they didn't get burnt. It drove me bonkers, so I ended up taking it off eventually and not using it. I did get it though at the Dollar Tree as well, so if you're looking for them you can get them there, but I just didn't like using it. It did keep my finger from getting burnt, but I just found it cumbersome to use. And as I said, just continue adding the rope around the whole circumference of your styrofoam cone. Okay, so when you're done, I just went ahead and trimmed up the bottom using my scissors. You're going to need a really sharp pair of scissors. I got those at Aldi's and they're great. But anyway, I just cut the beard, the whole, so it was even with the bottom of the cone, maybe a little bit longer because I didn't want any of the cone to show. And then start unraveling the rope. It's like 3 to 4 little ropes wound up for each section, so just go ahead and unwind those. It takes a little bit of time, but not too long, and that's what gives your gnome a little fluffy curly beard look. When you're all done, go ahead. You're only going to need one sock for this, and I did something really cute with the other sock that I'll have another well in a post. But anyway, go ahead and push the bottom of the sock up into itself. I don't know if I explained that right, but you're going to push the cute end where it had the little fox face up into that, so you just have the stripes left. Pull that all the way down to meet, maybe overlap a little the beard, and then I added some twine to the top section near the top of the cone. Cut that off, and then I just added a bell since it was Christmassy. But like I said, you could make these using cute little socks for holidays all throughout the year. It's really adorable actually. And then take one wooden ball, add a lot of hot glue to it because you're going to want to be sure that it sticks to the beard. Really hot glue that baby up. And once it's all hot glued, you just add it for a little nose, and there you go, your DIY dollar store gnome. Thank you.